What's going on YouTube? I'm Monty, back at you guys with a brand new video. And today I'm here at Bespoke. Well, I parked at my job, RP Exotics. I don't know why I gotta announce that every time, but I'm here for a toy drive. I got some toys. And yeah, so it's gonna be a cinematic video, and Ethan's gonna be here, so you know what that means. We're gonna act a fool in this motherfucker, so let's see how this goes. Ethan! What's up, buddy?
Good morning. We have no power. I didn't get to eat dinner last night or breakfast, bro. I'm starving.
Did you guys hit it hard?
No, like it's not bad at all. We just don't have power.
Oh. Nifty. What we got?
Hey guys, we have a camera. I'm giving away my camera to not toys in need, children in need. We'll put that down. But Armani got this nice. We have Brian's Supra, you know, a nice diecast model.
Oh yeah.
And then we have the Hot Wheels Rescue Pack with some cool cars that don't exist.
Facts.
But that's okay. It's cold. Let's give some kids some toys. Sucks.
Whee!
No combo stop.
Oh my god. Oh my god. So we are now just cruising the back roads in Ethan's car since he just got new tires and a new windshield. The Focus. Whee! Oh god. It's like I'm not
50 miles an hour?
Like I'm not scared because I know it's a front wheel drive car, but at the same time it's weird.
Yeah.
I don't know. God damn it! Trying to go fast here, person. If you're watching, I'm sorry. Not. Alright, so me and Ethan have ended up where the last time we ate. Red Robin.
Good morning.
So what are we gonna try something different today? No,
No, my burger was gas. I'm gonna get the same thing.
Gas before you get some. Never mind.
Wait a minute.
So we went to Red Robin, found out there's a 20-minute wait. So we are here. Bentley, St. Louis. And I know, well, last week I saw the STO, but it didn't record it. But I'll go over there and show you guys the spec that we got in St. Louis. And Ethan is taking pictures for his Instagram.
No, it's for them. I don't care, you know, I don't post on my Instagram.
Oh, you post on your OnlyFans, huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
What do I post on my OnlyFans, or I only post on my OnlyFans?
You don't post cars on your OnlyFans, or you post the spicy content on your OnlyFans?
No, of course the spicy content. That's where that money comes in. Like, the cars just go on Instagram. That's free. But for OnlyFans, I mean, obviously you get what you're paying for. Come on. People.
What'd you say?
So we have two guys just got out of an EcoBoost convertible Mustang, both wearing cowboy hats. These are my people. Hey guys, this is a Huracan STO. It's green and orange because, you know, I would say watermelon, but it's orange, not red. So, you know, it's not exactly a watermelon spec. But we have the nice University of Tennessee orange mixed with, I don't even know what kind of green this would be considered.
Acid green.
Yeah.
It's nice, I like it. I think I'll take the orange stickers off and shit. Nice on the interior. Not bad. Pretty cool.
How you guys doing?
Good, yourself?
Good. Pretty good.
On my
Red Robin number on the way. Okay, I remember last time I did not vlog because we were so hungry. But I got the bonsai burger with the sweet potato fries.
I got the something barbecue burger. I'm fine. Whiskey River barbecue. Pretty good.
Let's eat. Oh! Welcome to our new humble abode. I'm Rich. And I live there. Ethan lives here. So yeah.
Fuck you mean? 3-car garage?
I'm just kidding. We're just looking at houses at this point. Backlit. But this little lake right here is nice. I'm not gonna lie. All the view. You get to see your neighbors all the way over there, probably fucking in the windshield and shit like that. And all that other stuff. Or they're watching you. And yeah, so we just chilling. About to see if we can walk in these houses.
Hey, honey, how you doing?
What's up?
Welcome to my house. It's in the process of getting built right now. So you come over here, and we have an office.
Yeah,
This is the office sunroof.
Not bad.
This is where I'm not going to do work.
Not gonna do work.
This over here, you have your nice little dining room. Probably won't put a dining room here because I'm 21 years old. I have no reason to sit down at a table and eat. Okay, you come to my
Downstairs.
This is my living area.
Oh, this is damn. Okay. Nice. Okay, nice little deck up there.
Yeah, I'm being completely honest. I've never looked inside my own house before. That's cool. I thought this was like it. Huh.
Onward.
Okay. So scratch that. That probably isn't my dining room.
Yeah.
Because this is my dining room.
Yep.
That one makes sense. So yes, you dine over here, you come, you dine and come. You have a nice, why would I show you through the windows when we have this nice, luxurious balcony?
Oh my god, yeah, this is dope.
Holy shit, this is awesome.
This is a big up, yep, this is $1 million house for sure.
All right, we go to the master, you know, from the outside.
This is nice. Okay, I want this house now. Besides the garage space. Is this a bedroom?
Yeah, I think it's a master.
Interesting. Alright.
Yeah, so we have shower with a seat.
Okay, yeah, this is the master, for sure.
We have the closet. The closet's kind of, I mean, it's an okay
Is it
size.
closet?
I mean, I feel like for bathroom right there.
What?
Closet, sink, bathtub, maybe?
Maybe. Who knows?
I'll call Jack. I want to show this layout.
It's kind of nice. Where does this go to? Okay, so this is the master. Ah, got it. Upstairs, cool. Bedroom
With
3.
closet and bathroom.
Oh, that's okay. Bed.
And we come over here. Little closet.
Yep.
Okay, we have a nice little bonus room where you step down.
Okay.
So you have this over here. Oh, you got a little love seat. That's kind of cool.
Yes. Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Cool. And you look over the rest of the houses.
Nice.
Sick.
I actually like this. This would be like a cool place you have like a man cave, like pool table set up
Oh,
here.
for sure. I mean, the only thing I guess I don't like is just the fact that the walls are a little bit
Yeah. Like racing simulator over there type shit.
Yeah. Then the little equipment room.
Yep.
Bedroom number 4.
Yeah.
With closet.
Shower. I think it's a joint room. Hold on. Yeah, it's a joint. Oh, it's right here. And then you look down right there. Not bad. I actually like this house. And it's not even fully done.
Yeah. I like this little like den area. That's kind of cool.
Not bad.
So then, yeah, you have
Oh, this is the storage area and stuff right there.
yeah, so you're gonna have a bar area over here. You have
like a wet bar.
same, so you have all this.
Nice.
So shoot, I mean, this could be look,
Right here could be like a just straight theater.
for sure.
Right. And then you go right outside.
Yeah, the only thing that would be bad for the theater is the amount of lights.
Yeah.
You just have a full bathroom in here. If there's a closet, this is a bedroom. Alright, so you have a bedroom. Holy, and then you have all of this.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this would be a bedroom too. So this house has like what, 5, 6 bedrooms?
Yeah.
Actually, that's not. Yeah, I would make this a bedroom for sure. Like another king size bedroom.
Oh, what the? Bro, we got a tunnel.
Oh yeah, that's like a secret hideaway. That's dope.
Oh, and then go what?
Wow. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I definitely like this house. All right, we gotta make it this like an entertainment house or something like that.
This is.
Who wants to join me, Ethan, Blake, and some other people? Put a down payment on this house, make some money, just have our car sit outside. Let me know in the comments below.
4-car garage.
Yeah, 4-car garage. There's 4 cars inside and 4 cars outside. Have the dailies outside, have all the supercars inside.
Exactly.
This is freaking nice. I mean,
liking this house.
this is my actually second time walking in a random house. The first one I walked into with my dad, it was fully built. And it was in Ladue, but we just walked in that one day. But I know I'm incriminating myself, but it is what it is.
There were no trespassing signs.
Yeah, there's no trespassing sign. And the door was already open, so you can't blame me for not just looking. So.
Oh, we got outlets on the floor?
Right.
I want to go on the deck again.
Yeah. Like, if someone's room for activities, you can do a lot of stuff out here.
Good morning.
Good morning, my neighbors. Yes, fuck you too.
Good morning, my neighbors! Hey, fuck you! Yes! Yes! Fuck you too!
Oh, just nice to find a Urus that we got. What do you have to say about that?
Poor.
I know you guys can't really see it, but it says, "Stop crime, legalize drugs." What?
Driven by a white girl.
We don't know that. I mean, not unless you saw her.
No, I saw her. She's a white girl.
Alright. So, after an eventful day, which I didn't plan on making a full day video, but it was fun while it lasted. So, yeah, me and Ethan went all over the place after going to Bespoke. I'm in my car now, about to go home and edit this video. So, yep, that's the end of the video. I am tired. I've been up since, I think I've been up since 5 this morning. And I don't know why. I feel like I'm an old man. It's only 6:15 here right now, so yeah, I feel like an old man, about to go home, eat again, even though I just ate a half hour ago, but I just rambling now. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
She get on my nerves till I ain't got no nerves left. I come out bustin', my diamonds cold like they Russian. I might spend thousands for nothing. Shoe bottoms red like they blushing. Bands in my pockets, I'm stuffing. Shorty, my girl David Ruffin. She on my head like concussion. Stay with a tool like construction.